Hi everyone, this is Tisa Jackson from This is Tisa. Today we are using Beacon's Gem Tag and we are going to cover this fun purple mirror. This mirror is intended to be used in a school locker. It has a magnet on the back, but you can use this mirror anywhere. First things first, I did cover the mirror in post-it notes so you wouldn't see my reflection during the video. All the supplies we used are listed below. First step in any bling project is prepping the surface. You saw just a second ago I did lightly sand the surface, and now I'm just cleaning off any dust with an alcohol wipe. My bottle is pretty much full with glue, but I wanted to show you how simple it is to add your Beacon adhesive to your precision point bottle. We are using these beautiful glass stones in the color Crystal Amethyst. And guess what? In this video, we're only using one size. I'm using a size called SS20. And I'm simply just going to add a line of Beacon's Gem Tag. A little goes a long way. So I'm using the precision point bottle to make a thin straight line. I'm going to start adding the rhinestones. We're using the linear method, which means we are placing these rhinestones next to each other in a straight line. I add a second line of adhesive at the top of the mirror to ensure this corner is completely straight. And then you just continue to add the rhinestones. For this project, each side of the mirror will include 3 rows of rhinestones. While this project is pretty quick and simple, take time during your project to stop and ensure all of your rhinestones continue to stay straight and in line. I'm speeding up the video here, but to give you a reference with how much time it took me to cover this entire mirror, it was about 30 minutes. And while the video is playing, I just wanted to share a few tips that will improve your blinging projects. A small amount of adhesive goes a long way, so please don't feel like you have to oversaturate your projects to get the rhinestones to stay in place. And on the other hand, if you're applying your rhinestones and you feel like they are not adhering to your project, you might need to use a tad more adhesive. Keep your wax pencil sharp. You can simply sharpen your wax pencil by using any pencil sharpener or a crayon sharpener. Picking up your rhinestones with a wax pencil is pretty simple. All you do is just slightly touch the facet side of the rhinestone with the wax pencil and then lift. Your rhinestone should be attached to the wax pencil. If at any time you feel like your wax pencil isn't picking up your rhinestones with ease, you may have a little bit of adhesive on the tip of your wax pencil. You can simply remove this by sharpening your wax pencil. Give all of your projects at least 24 hours before they are dry. If you plan to bling anything that will require washing, like a tumbler or something like that, I would give an extra 3 to 5 days for curing time before the first wash. Following these simple steps will ensure your beautiful projects are sure to last. I slowed down the video to add the last few rhinestones to this project. It's something about finishing a project that you spent a little bit of time on and adding these sparkly little gems that makes my crafty heart so happy. Please be sure to leave any questions or comments below, and please follow Beacon here on YouTube for more crafty and sparkly projects.